Playing video games has offered a different experience since the introduction of NFT games. The blockchain has made video games worth playing by providing tangible value to players' activities or characters in video games. Now, instead of playing for entertainment only, you get to make money while at it. MMORPG is one genre of video game that also integrates NFT technology. If you're wondering which one of these games enables you to make money while playing, here I have explored some of the best MMORPG NFT games that you should check out. But before that, welcome back to your channel Crypto World, where you'll get all the crypto knowledge. And yes, do remember that this video is not financial advice, so do your research before investing anywhere. So without any further delay, let's get started. And for those who don't know about MMORPG, here is some basic knowledge about MMORPG and MMORPG NFT games. What are MMORPG? MMORPG is an abbreviation for Massively Multiplayer Online Role-Playing Game. The game genre is coined from two video game genres, MMO and RPG. Each game has unique gameplay, which developers merge to produce MMORPG. MMOs are online games involving multiple players playing simultaneously on an online platform. RPG is a role-playing game where you take on a character and act out quests and narratives in a virtual world. Some MMOs are MMORPG, while not all MMORPG are MMO. Games like Fortnite are MMO that fall in this category. One of the fascinating things about MMORPG is that it has a world that changes even when the user is not online. This is because it encompasses other global users whose gameplay influences the virtual world. What are MMORPG NFT games? MMORPG combines all the elements of MMO and RPG and uses the NFT play-to-earn technology. In other words, multiple players can enjoy their favorite games while taking on different characters and earning money as they play. Even better, these games use some of the best visual technology that makes any individual eager to play. Now, let's start with our main topic: 5 best MMORPG NFT games to play. 1. Salt Chicks. Salt Chicks is one of the best blockchain-based massively multiplayer online role-playing games currently available. Though it is still under development, there is a lot of excitement going on about it. As one of the first NFT gaming platforms on the Solana blockchain, Salt Chicks allows you to uncover unique items and get rewards through a detailed, interconnected ecosystem. Salt Chicks brings the best of both worlds together in one gaming platform, allowing players to enjoy unique NFT collectibles while also using them as major characters. You can purchase a Salt Chick NFT on Solanart and use it on the battlefield to wrestle your opponents to know whose character is better and stronger. Player teams also participate in a multiplayer online battle arena, MOBA, to compete in groups. You could also train these characters and sell them to other players who need your character in the open market. 2. Siddis. Siddis. NFT Heroes is a collection of 6,000 generative figures created in collaboration with NFT stars and the community of modern artists. The collection includes 1,000 rare heroes, 4,000 original NFT heroes, 500 legendary heroes, and 500 partnership NFT heroes. However, only 4,000 of these characters are available for purchase. Aside from the NFT opportunities, it has a fantastic plot. In its fiction world, every hero landed at the autonomous city of Siddis from one of the 12 blockchain worlds. These heroes then joined forces and forming the city's government. Every character's physique and outfit corresponds to the planet they were born on. Players can establish their legions with their friends and train their NFT to succeed on the multiplayer battlefield. The Siddis collection will become a gaming metaverse in the future, with each Siddis hero providing access to a different game. A great experience with unlimited options awaits you in Siddis, which is much more than just a game. 3. Blanco's Block Party. Blanco's Block Party is one of the MMORPG games that you can't help but fall in love with. The game uses digital vinyl toys that players acquire, train, and use to participate in a multiplayer party game. These toys are attractive and operate on blockchain technology, making them easy for players to acquire. Aside from the toys, its developers will launch several accessories which you can purchase and use on your Blanco. You can also train these toys and equip them with special skills like agility and speed. 4. World Wide Web. World Wide Web is a pixel art metaverse accessible to anyone who wants to play. Players can take the roles of their best NFT projects by importing them as characters into the game. There are thousands of these avatar combinations on the internet, but only 69 unique avatars. You can also purchase or trade avatars on several platforms. Aside from this, you can acquire your own land by purchasing them on OpenSea, a platform where you can sell NFT items. The game allows you to create your unique multiplayer community to participate in quests and community activities. 5. Mirandis. Mirandis is one of the visually appealing MMORPG NFT games where you have complete control over the setting you play in. Players form 5-person monarchs to rule and play as they see fit. Players can also hunt for wildlife in the forests or defend their monarchy if they play as knights. There is freedom of purchase and rental of lands amongst players. Afterward, the new owners do what they can to defend and keep their lands. They can also construct anything they like, ranging from a small, simple farm to massive cities. So that is all we have for you today. Tell us your picks among these in the comments section. And consider subscribing to the Crypto World for more amazing crypto videos daily. Peace out.